Unsa day pasabot aning bury the hatchet?
And bury the hatchet.
To bury the hatchet.
To bury the hatchet.
The phrase bury the hatchet is an idiomatic expression that means to make peace, end a conflict, or reconcile after a disagreement or fight. It comes from a Native American tradition where warring tribes would literally bury a hatchet, a type of axe, as a symbolic gesture of peace.
Speaking of Christmas spirit, it's time to bury the hatchet.
Then let's bury the hatchet.
Ang literal nga translation ani sa atong lingwahe kay ilubong ang atsa o ilibing ang palakol. Pero literal lang na ha, ang pasabot ana kay maguli, magpasayloay, magkasabot pag-usap. You've been fighting for quite a while. Maybe it's time to bury the hatchet and reconcile. Taod-taod na mong nag-away, panahon na siguro para ilubong ang atsa o maguli mo.